We are at the Lakeland Motor Museum, and I know it's not radio control cars. I'm guessing everybody's a bit like me in that they love anything to do with vehicles. This is an old Fiat. If I find anything super interesting, which is most, this is a Bentley. Oh my goodness. 1936 Bentley 4-quarter standard steel park ward body. Pause that if you want to read that. I've got to try and keep up with the missus and the little one. Look at this whole delivery bike. 1949 Turner Light delivery vehicle. Fleetwood limousine. Wow. This might be the coolest thing, and this wasn't super expensive. It was £11.60 each, and our 4-year-old got him for nothing. So this is super cool.
Anybody have that?
Panther. Jaguar. This is a Jag. I wonder if they've got an Ariel Square 4.
This way, baby.
Royal Ruby. 1930. There it is, there's the Ariel. Dad had one of these. Yeah. My dad had one of these.
Your granddad had
I don't know if that's a Square 4, I don't think it is. I think this is a lot earlier than the one my dad had. I'm trying to think when my dad was born. So my dad's probably would have been a 1940s bike. But it looks like they were going in 1930. An old AA cool box. That's what it says, yeah. They spend a lot of time keeping these clean. My goodness, there's cars everywhere. This is super interesting for me. Yeah, look, there's rally cars up here. Yeah, a 4-year-old with ADHD, it doesn't really let you take it all in quite the way you'd like to, but...
There's even Daddy probably knows these sort of shops.
Yeah, I remember shops like this, yeah.
Yeah, Daddy used to have stuff like this.
The old toy shops. Look at this old Jag. What's this, an E-Type or something? I think that's...
Daddy, do you recognise any of these old...
Does anybody know what Jag this is? There's an old Citroen.
Do you recognise any of these toys?
Right.
Wait. Daddy used to have these. Look, come see.
No, this is a bit before me, babe.
No, I think you are that old.
I mean, they look like the old Matchbox toys.
Look all them tiny,
some of those
tiny
little
ones.
Matchbox cars are
Look all
worth
them
a fortune.
tiny ones.
Do you like it now?
And
Look,
boxed
there's
as
a
well.
little tank down there. Look.
No, it's boxed.
Yeah, boxed Matchbox cars, and some of these other, they'll be a fortune. Does anybody know what Jag that is? I think it's before the E-Type, right? This is an old Dodgem, Lace. She's gone. That's an old Dodgem.
What is?
That is a Dodgem. Yeah. We got Royal Enfield. My dad had a load of bikes. He had loads of different bikes. What's this? This is a BSC. My dad had Bezos, so he might have had one of these. Oh, look, Austin. Is this a... My mum, is this an A1? Oh, here we go. Oh, this is the A40. So my mum learned to drive in an Austin A1, and she was terrible, apparently. This is a Bantam. Wow. I remember my dad talking about those.
All this, look.
Oh, roller skates, yeah. They got so much old, really cool memorabilia in here. They've even got a BSA with the open sides. Lee will love this, Lee.
And listening to
Lee.
Elliot.
How much are you using of my...
Oh, loads. Yeah, loads. Wow, they got a John Cooper Mini. That's a proper Mini, that is. proper mini. I got a match list. Dad had one of these.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot.
He was at the match list. Oh yeah, they got loads of split case engines. Oh, that's cool. Loads of them. It's a whole shop of open engine
You used to have
casings.
this, or you're not that old yet?
What? Yeah, no, I remember these. There was still a few petrol stations around when. Oh, that's a Dolomite. Is this a Dolomite? Oh, the test. Right, Citroen C3, Citroen C1. That'd have been, wouldn't it? There's an E-Type, right, guys?
He's all right to stay with you, but
There's the E-Type.
stay with him.
I thought this was a Dolomite, but it's not. I think the Dolomite, I'm right in saying, the Triumph Dolomite was the first 16 valve. Hello. It's the first 16 valve. Is that a Triumph? Yeah, that's a Triumph. Humber Hawk. Babe, I had one of these. I had a Humber Estate. Not this model, but I had one of those. Yeah. No, it was really old when I had it. Douglas Dragonfly. Look at these. What we got? An old Ducati, a pair of Ducatis. Look, this is an early trials bike, a Cheetah. Fantastic. Where are we?
Neo's run off the mark.
Yeah, I'm going to go down and have a look. So I'm pretty sure this is an E-Type, yeah. They got loads of little bubble cars. What is this? Triumph Tiger 1967 in the corner. My dad had a Triumph Tiger. When it was new, it was £296. So you could buy a whole motorcycle less than the price of a PlayStation. I got a Mark 1 Escort. Mexico, this is like 70 or 80 grand now. Am I right, guys? Yeah, yes, please. They got a Fizzy. It's an FS1E. Oh my goodness! And it's even the one. It's the one with the pedals. I thought you said he was with Mark. Oh my God, Graham had one of these. It's a 404. Grey, look.
We'll have to.
It's a 404. He dismantled it and it never went back together again.
I bet if we'd have kept that, it would have.
TR5, well, what's that worth now? It was the F2. It was one of the first of its kind. Fiesta. Long Volvo. Yeah, my brother had one of these, Les.
Really?
Yeah, my God, it's like coming to see our old vehicles. TS 250,
Yeah.
I think. There's a Windjammer. I wish we could see the bikes. It's a TS 125 and a TS 250. I was right. What is this? Arctic Equator 1984.
Look in the back.
Right, I genuinely have no idea where they've gone.
Right, I don't know. I'm pretty sure Dad had a Bonneville 750.
Must have at your back.
Lisa.
1977. He might. That might have been. Yeah. That might have been what my dad had. Oh yeah, used to get these in the petrol station. We collected these when I was a kid. Well, stop. Did they go up?
I don't know.
but you're gonna like in here.
I'm guessing it's this way first.
Yeah, I'm guessing you're right. Let's go up first, yeah? I'll go up in here. I wasn't sure when I first came in here if this was going to be cool, but it is so cool. Right. We going up? Oh, you have to literally keep your finger on the button, drive the elevator. This is really cool. For those that you don't know, I really suffer with my joints. My knees are terrible. And if I'm not careful, I end up in agony for days. So, yeah, that'll be why. Hello. What happens when you push it?
It'll turn on.
Wow, look at that.
It comes down.
Oh, this looks like a dedicated motorbike bit. AJWs? Is this? These are all AJWs. And if I wasn't with the family, I'd have a bit of time to find out more about those. This is the TT section, all old TT bikes. Sunbeam, ABC, never heard of it. Look at that though. Another Sunbeam, another Norton, scooters, Lambrettas, are these all Lambretta? Oh no, there's a Vespa at the back there. Look, my goodness, a Vela set. Overhead cam. Aerial, that's the aerial twin. I'm sure my dad had an aerial square four, a couple of Triumphs, loads of old bikes. I bet Boom Slang Suspension would love this. Look at all these bikes. Monkey bike. I rode one of them in about 1975 at a motocross place. Loads of little kids things. Listen guys, I'm gonna have to wrap the video up because I can tell the RC mummy wants her phone back. But if you do come to the Lake District, don't miss this place. It really is worth the money. I've been here for hours. If me and the 404 boys were up here, we would spend hours walking around there. Hi babe. Wow. Right, there she is.